It's school vacation week, a time where the kids are spending more time at home or maybe just getting a break from that virtual learning. Joining us this morning with a fun experiment that you can do with the entire family is Atomic Alan from Mad Science. Welcome back.
Thank you, Michaela. It's wonderful to be back.
So tell us about the experiment that we're going to tackle today.
So today we're going to be talking about reactions, and specifically about chemical reactions and how we know that a chemical reaction has taken place. And I know that kids at home have made volcanoes and things like that. They might have used a tall glass. I'm going to use an Erlenmeyer flask for this first one. You probably don't have one of those at home. But I'm going to use, we call it acetic acid. You probably call it vinegar. But I'm going to add some vinegar to my Erlenmeyer flask. And this is a liquid. And liquids, of course, take the shape of the container they're in, and so you can see that that's all nicely there. And then I'm going to take what we call sodium bicarbonate, you call baking soda, and I'm just going to put that in a little cap here. Now, this is a liquid. This is a solid. Mm-hmm. This is an acid. The opposite of acid is base, and this is a base. And when the two mix, they react, and they give off a gas. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make a gas today. We're going to make a gas called carbon dioxide. It's one that we actually breathe out.
Yeah.
But I want to use the gas later. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this in here like that. And then I'm going to put a cup on that so I can save the gas for later.
Seal it in.
Yeah, but I have a problem. The gas takes up an awful lot of space. And there just isn't room in that bottle for all that gas.
That was a lot of pressure in there.
That is a lot of pressure in there. Now, that's kind of fun to do, and you might want to try that at home. You have to be a little careful about where to, but you probably don't have an Erlenmeyer flask and a stopper, but you might have one of these. Your kids might not know what that is. It might be hard to see on camera.
I think parents will recognize that one. Remind us at home for all the kids watching.
That's a 35 millimeter film canister. Mm-hmm. And of course, they seal really nicely. So what we can do is we can do that same experiment. I'm just going to take a little bit of my acetic acid and put that in my film canister.
Alan, I like that you're using these household ingredients, vinegar, baking soda. We have a lot of these already at home.
Absolutely. And this one is called toilet tissue.
Definitely have that.
And I'm just going to put a pinch of my baking soda in that. I'm just putting that there to slow that reaction down because I don't want it to happen all at once.
Okay.
And I'll just put that in there and I'll put the lid on it, give that a shake. And I have that same problem.
Is it moving?
It is. It was supposed to pop, but it obviously has a little bit of a leak in it. Oh, it does. It has a leak in the top.
Well, hey, that's a fun experiment. However, it's going to move around or maybe it'll explode. You never know.
It should have popped. It's shame on me for getting one that I blew it up yesterday, and maybe that's how I put a hole in it. So maybe we'll try this differently with something I know you have at home. I'm going to start with a bowl, and then I'm going to take a regular resealable plastic bag. And for this one, I need a whole cup of vinegar.
Wow.
So I'm just going to take a cup of vinegar. That's about a cup. It's a little short, but that's okay. And I'm going to pour that into my bag. So now I have a bag with a cup of vinegar in it. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to add to that a tablespoon of my baking soda. But once again, I want to slow the reaction down. So I have a piece of paper towel. I just put my baking soda there. I fold it up and to make a nice little package. I'm going to hold the package out of the baking soda until I get this all sealed up. Doody-doody-doody-doody-doo.
Well, this is great if you have a parent at home. They can help you with this step. If you got little hands, you got to make sure you seal that bag well.
Yeah, you want to make sure the bag is really well sealed. You want to make sure you hold that up out of the baking soda until it's time, or out of the vinegar. And then you just mix that all up. And it'll make a gas, and you'll see your bag start to get all big and explode, get bigger and bigger and bigger.
Here it comes.
And then eventually it pops.
Whoa! That is so fun, Alan. I like that you've given us 3 different versions of experiment of the same experiment there, but however we want to tackle it at home, we can choose the right one.
And exactly, all we're doing is adding a liquid acid, a solid base, and creating a gas.
And you have some step-by-step instructions for us that we're going to post on our website as well. So if you're curious about the measurements or you want to make sure that you do it right, we're going to post.
And that's to do this experiment here.
Perfect. Alan, thank you again for joining us.
You're welcome. Thanks for having us, Michaela. Stay safe, everyone.
You too. We always have fun with Mad Science. So if you want to try this experiment for yourself, we're going to post the instructions you need at rhodeshow.com.